Yeah, I bought this in Wilko, cellulose thinners. I then found in my garage I've actually got a big tin of it that I've bought sometime in the past and never used. And the smell instantly takes me back to my early teen years when I used to make model aeroplanes and paint them with cellulose dope. Probably need to soak it a bit first to get it going. In fact, I think I've seen some people put them in a bath of the liquid first, so it all softens up. It does appear to be reacting with the PLA. I think I'll be better taking that off again and putting it in a thin tray to soak it. It's taking the roughness off it. Yeah, I don't think there's anything you can actually see that's happening. I'd literally need to soak it. It seems to soften it a little bit. This stuff is flammable, so you don't want to do it indoors when you've got any sort of lighted objects around it or sparks. Yeah, it's clearly rubbing it down, softening it. Yeah, I think the best thing I can do is do a bit of a close-up, see if we can get focused on it. Right, we're losing the ridges along here where I'm rubbing it, whereas you can see them quite definitely up here. Really can't tell whether the camera's focusing on that. And basically we're dissolving the PLA. It's going soft and I'm rubbing it away along there. I'm not going to spend any more time on it at the moment. The effect it has is it has softened the surface of the PLA, and I could rub it with the, I was using a paper towel and it was slowly bringing a bit of the surface off. I've just tried a bit of very fine sandpaper on it, and again that's tidied it a bit. Whether it's worth the effort or not, I don't know. Certainly a long way to go there before that actually looks nice and smooth. So we'll leave that for now because it's time for our midday snack. We're off out. Well, talking about cellulose thinner, I found I'd got this stuff in my garage stored away. I think I bought it in B&Q. I'm not sure. I should give that a try on here. The stuff I put on there did soften it, but I'm going to have a go with that and try rubbing that down. I'm going to use our old rag this time. You may notice I put gloves on. I suspect that the solvent will actually affect the rubber gloves. I'm running a separate little experimental video at the moment where I've put some PLA in some solvent, cellulose thinners, and it has gone very soft in there. It's gone very rubbery actually. I'm going to leave that in there, see if it actually dissolves the PLA. I don't think it will, but that's what that little experiment is, and that'll be a separate video. So I get the feeling it's just softening the outside layer, the top layer. Well guys, I have to say ultimately that was a complete waste of time trying to use solvents on it. I've ended up using a sander, electric sander, to try and get the rough surface off. Even that's not perfect, but it's better than it was when I started. But yeah, playing around with solvents and that just didn't do it. It did soften the surface, but that really didn't help. I ended up, as I say, using an electric sander. If I hold it close, you can see it's still scuffed up. I could polish it. Can't focus. Yeah. Well, it was an interesting experiment, but a waste of time. Trying to polish it, that is. Well, I finished it off with an electric polisher, so we've got a shine on it. There's still some lines on it, but all that effort with the solvent was a complete waste of time. I could have just done that straight away with a electric sander and the electric polisher. But I've tried it, so I know it didn't work. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.